Hey folks, welcome back to Hive Plant Repertoire.
Today we are going to make a 2-ingredient waffle. Just 2 ingredients and some water, whole grain oats, and bananas.
To your blender, just add 3 cups of whole grain oats, 1 ripe banana, and 2.5 cups of water.
This meal is a good way to get in more whole grains and fruit. This is great to eat plain. It's soft and has a very subtle banana flavor, but you can also top it however you'd like. Today I'm going to use a small pat of my homemade vegan butter, fresh banana slices, some strawberries, and maple syrup. Enjoy! Today I'm going to make some vegan pancakes. I'll just be using whole grain oats, some plant milk, and a banana. I'm making these a little bit thicker today, so I'm only using 1 cup of unsweetened rice milk. If it's a little too thick, you can just add a splash more of liquid, or don't be afraid to just tamper it down. These are plant-based pancakes. They contain only plant milk, whole grain oats, and a banana. If you'd like to keep this vegan, you can use toppings such as vegan butter, fresh fruit, plant-based whipped cream, and maple syrup as options. I'll link some of my videos below on how to make your own vegan butter, dairy-free whipped cream, and rice milk. Today we are going to try the Beyond Breakfast Sausage. And I'm going to cook some hash browns to go along with the sausage. I've tried cooking these using both methods, on the stove top in a skillet and in the oven, and I prefer cooking it in the oven. Just place them frozen on a baking sheet. Cook at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. No fuss, less mess. Pretty simple. I give this a 3.5 out of 5. This is not a health food, but it is another plant-based option for those looking to transition away from traditional meat.